Over time, I've determined that there are two main problems with camera traps. One, they yield lots of photographs of very common species that aren't useful in answering ecological questions about habitat use or treatment effects. A scientist might use cam traps to measure differences before and after a big forest fire, and you'll mostly get photographs of squirrels and deer. But a deer doesn't tell us really anything about the effects of fire. A deer would happily live in any kind of forest, burned or unburned, or in a meadow or in your backyard. The second problem we as scientists create, we use complicated modeling techniques to pick up, let's say, relative numbers of deer. The more specialized species that interest us often don't appear in large enough numbers to answer our question. You may get one photo of a grouse, a bird that is only found post-fire, but that's not statistically significant. There's nothing wrong with cam traps, just the way we as scientists are using them. What if we simplified our use of camera traps? What if we asked more appropriate questions that don't require fancy statistics, but give us the answers we really need? Can pronghorn antelope get through a rancher's fence when they make their 100-mile seasonal migration? Could we track the spread of invasive species like feral hogs? What if we could track the northward movement of species in response to climate change? As scientists, we shouldn't say, I have a tool, now what is my question? But in the case of camera traps, I think we can better match the right types of questions with this tool with real potential to add value in conservation research.